पार्सल वाला, पार्सल वाला।
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, beta. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, beta. Let other come also, na? Then we will start the session.
So today's same chapter.
Yes, same chapter. Which chapter we have discussed?
Here about
Crop production and management.
Yes. The same chapter we are going to discuss today.
good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, beta. Good evening. Pallav.
Yes, sir.
Let other come. Then we'll start the session. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how was the day?
Nice, sir.
Nice, sir.
Okay. Good. Admit all. So have you revised your chapter from your book?
So your bandwidth is slow. It's low. It's showing, sir.
Volume is not coming properly.
Coming, sir.
Now it's okay, sir.
Okay. Network is okay. Everything is okay. I'm just waiting. They are just came. Who is that? Ananya and Jasmitha Mehta. Jitesh Sai.
Sir, I'm not able to hear your voice, sir.
Your voice, my voice is coming to you.
Sir,
Now we
like,
can.
Yes, sir. You're clear.
Yes, sir. You're clear,
sir,
sir.
like, it is clear, sir, but your voice is too low. It is coming low for me.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Means
Let
your
me
bandwidth is low.
let me increase
Sir,
the
just
volume.
talk a little more.
Little louder.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it is coming. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let other come also. So I think we shall start the session. We are 15. Okay. So again, okay.
Sir.
Who? Yes. Who else is? No. Nobody is there.
Sir, will you teach biology also?
Yes, I will teach biology also. So after completion of this chapter, we will start the next session for biology. This is the part of biology, no? That the chapter that we have started is part of biology.
Yes, sir. There is biological.
Yes, sir. Biology.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it is.
Yeah.
Sir,
So,
that was chemistry, right, sir?
pardon?
Sir, for which class are you teaching? Sir,
So, like in the previous section, you taught us chemistry, not biology, sir.
just wait a minute. I think he is teaching for another class.
You are student of class
which
8th,
chapter?
na?
Sir, yesterday you teach
Yes,
chemistry,
eighth
sir.
class. It is 8th class.
8th class, na?
It
Or
is for
10th
Sir,
8th
you
class?
have
class,
sent
sir.
the link for 10th class also, sir. So,
Now it is time. Wait, let me check the schedule. Okay, first. Today is Friday, na? Now it is time for 8th class.
yeah, sir, but you have sent it for 10th class also. In our group, you have
Yes,
sent
sir.
But the time
So
is
that,
your time is 7:45. 10th class students, your time is
yeah,
yeah.
please see the group message. You have mentioned 6:30.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Your message 6:30.
Okay,
I
okay.
think you have done it in
Let
mistake.
me
All right.
correct this one. Wait.
All right, sir.
10th class. 10th B. 10th B. Yes, time is 7:30. So I'm just typing by mistake. By
So, sir, should the 10th people leave?
wait. Your time is from 7:45 p.m. sharp. Okay. SHARP. Okay. So 10 student, you have to join on 7:45. Okay, at 7:45. Okay, so you may
Okay,
leave
sir.
now. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. So can we start the session now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So let me share the screen. Yes.
Sir, you already shared the screen, sir.
Sir, can you remove the excess Chitra's notebook, sir? Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it is clear.
Sir, can you move some side? We can't see the
Yes.
notes.
Yes.
Left
Wait,
side.
wait a second. Wait a second.
Left side, sir. Now it's okay, sir.
Now it's okay now. Okay, so in previous session we have discussed up to cultivator. Okay, showing quality of seed was also done. Traditional tools that
Yes, the quality of seeds was
Yes, sir.
also done.
yes. So today we have to discuss traditional tools. Okay. Yeah.
So traditional tools.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir, a little bit.
And now
Yes, sir.
I have to hold.
Now it's okay,
no,
sir.
okay. So traditional tools. Okay. So we have discussed there are two tools, hoe and another one is plow. That was the traditional one also. They both are from the traditional one. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about other traditional tools that farmers are using in their farms. Okay. So before the see here, what is written over here before the evident sorry, the advance of the advance, it must be advanced, huh? Advent of the modern agriculture machinery, traditional tools were used by the farmers. But nowadays we are using, because the technology has been already developed a lot. That's why we are using cultivator, harvester in our crop field. But traditionally, we were using the traditional tool only. Okay. These include, see, there are names are given over here. What are those tools? Okay, so what are those tools that we have already discussed about the plots? Okay, then we have soles, then we have crats, and we have pickaxe.
Sir,
So
what is the third and fourth
So-
one, sir?
okay, let me show you the diagram for that pickaxe. Okay,
Sir, even scribe. Third one also, sir.
are you able to see my screen of laptop?
We can see traditional tools, sir. Even Chitra's notebook, something.
Okay, wait a second.
Yes, so your screen is visible.
See, it is not coming on our screen, so let me draw the diagram for you. Okay, see, when farmer needs to dig the soil, he used to use the tools. It looks like, see, this is the wooden logs. This is the wooden log, and here this type of traditional tool was used to dig the soil. This is called as pickaxe. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir, I know pickaxe, but I don't know what is scribes.
Okay, which one? Crisis. See, let me draw again one more
Sir,
diagram.
third one.
Now you can see, are you able to observe my laptop screen on Google?
No, sir, we can see only one note.
Okay, okay, okay. Mhm. Where is the pictures? See, the diagram is like the same diagram, but we have, see the same diagram, but this part is not included over there. Okay, this part is not included. Like we have again another wooden log. Okay, and here the sharp metallic block is attached on the wooden block in order to dig the soil, like this. Picture is not being shared. I am trying to upload all the pictures, but pictures are not being uploaded in OneNote. I don't know why. Okay, but the picture is look like this only. Okay, Scythes is that one and pickaxe is that one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So these all are the traditional tool which were used by the farmers. Okay, and one more we have, see here we have one more tools that we have discussed. Which one? Plow. Okay, then we have shovels. You know that?
Sir, like, yes, sir. Sir, it will be like spoon.
Yeah, it's like
Spoon shape it will be, sir.
generally,
Shape. Shape.
yes, yes. Generally in old picture, like in movie called Soleil, there was one tool which is used to, put the coals in the burning chamber. You know, yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, it is more or less look.
Yes, sir. Shovel is used to dig the soil.
Yeah, like it looks like. Okay, here this is part. Okay, this is wooden or maybe metallic log, and here this part is like made up of the sheet of the metal. Okay, and here it is nothing but the handle, and we are using it generally in, have you seen Sholay movie?
Me, sir, I have seen it.
Okay, so there that person who used to put coal in the burning chamber of the engine. Okay, that tool is nothing but or shoels. Okay, so these are nothing but the tools which were used by the farmers to dig the soil. But nowadays technology has been developed a very high manner where we are using the modern tool in our crop field. Okay, it saves the time also. Okay, it saves the time as well as effort. Okay, so the traditional tool used to show the seed was like a funnel. Funnel. Okay, it is again made up of the metallic part. Okay, this part is generally, see, suppose this is the soil. It is the soil of the crop field. It is the soil of crop field, and this when it is put over here. Okay, by applying pressure we are putting seed from here, and seed get submerged in the soil. Okay, then we are removing it. So all the, in a traditional time, the people or the farmer were used to sowing the seed by using such funnel like tools. Funnel like tool, it is used for sowing the seed.
Sir, what is a funnel, sir?
Funnel, have you visited the chemistry laboratory?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. It is used to
Then
pour the chemicals and
yes,
the
yes, yes,
powder into
yes.
the.
It is made up of a glass or maybe of the fiber or plastic. It looks like this. Okay,
Yeah, sir.
yes, it is a funnel. It is funnel. So that the tool which is used by the farmer for the sowing of seeds, there this
Sir,
part is very long. This part is very
sir,
long. Yes.
someone is in the waiting room, sir.
Okay, okay. Wait a second. Let me give you. Okay, I think everybody is joined now. No, Srishita is about to join. Okay, now. So these are the different tools which were used by the farmers. Okay, understood? These were the tools traditionally they are used by the farmers, but nowadays very high and efficient tools were used by the farmers in a crop field. Okay, like we are using cultivator, we are using harvester, we are using thresher. Okay, these are different tools nowadays we are using in our crop field. Okay, so next point we have, see here, we understood the traditional tool used to show the seed was like funnel. So that we have drawn the diagram over here. Okay, this is nothing but the funnel, and this part is very long, because this part have to be submerged into the seed in order to showing the seed from here. See, we are pouring seed from here, and seed they get submerged inside the inner soil, so that generally, so the seed have to be submerged in the soil, because some birds, some different kinds of birds they are coming in the crop field, and they used to eat all the seeds. That's why this seed have to be submerged inside the soil. That's why this funnel like tools is used. Okay, Now, next point. Once seed were put in the funnel, they would go to 2 to 3 tubes having the sharp end. Okay, see, this funnel like tool have only one end. Maybe we can draw another diagram so that okay, see, this tool have 2 to 3 ends, so that 2 to 3 time seed can be drawn in a once. Okay, in a single time we can show 2 to 3 times seed. Okay, see, if we will put seed from over here, so seed will go here also one, it is 2 and 3. So this have only one end, but this tool have 3 ends, so that the speed of soil sowing can be increased. Okay, that's why here it is mentioned that 2 to 3 tubes having sharp end. You know why the sharp end have to be in this particular tool? So it have to be
To
submerged
go a
in,
little inside
yes,
the
to little
soil.
inside the soil, so that the soil will get submerged, okay, in the soil. This end will pierce into the soil and place the seed there. Okay, so these sharp tools are used to pierce the seed into the soil. Okay, this is all about the traditional tool which are used by the farmers. Okay, so we have to repeat once more so that you will understand precisely again. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
yes, see, before the advent, the modern agriculture machinery, traditional tool were used by the farmers. Okay, nowadays we are using the modern agricultural tools, but some time back, like 10 year back, 5 year back, we were using the traditional tool only. Okay, what are they? One of them is plow. We have shovels. We have scythes. We have pickaxe. We have drawn the diagram also over here. Okay, so these are the tools which were used by the farmers for the agricultural purpose. The traditional tool used to show, okay, the seed was like funnel shaped and they had 2 to 3 tubes, okay, in order to increase the you know speed of for the sowing of seed, so that the time can be consumed, or in less time we can show the more seed as we can. Okay, they have the sharp end. The sharp end helps to pierce seed into the soil. Okay, the sharp end of that particular tool helps to pierce seeds into the soil, so that they will get germinate properly and birds are not going to eat them. Okay, it is one of the benefit for the farmers. Okay, understood everybody this part?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, okay. So now next part we are going to discuss about the seed drills. Okay, do you have any question on this part?
Sir, this tool can also be converted into a modern one. Means, uh,
Yes, but yes, we can see. You have heard that, but when we have quote, we can say that invention a necessity is the mother of invention. You heard about this part, this word?
yes, sir. Heard.
Yes, yes. So whatever we have necessity, we are designing the tools according to them. Okay, because human being have got the brain power, thinking power, thought process, so that he can change something in a matter, so that he will design according to him only. Okay, and that's why human being has dominance all over the nature. Okay, so a human being have the brain power, so he can develop the tools. That's why he has since from the ancient time, we are like 10 year back, 15 year back, the mobile ware was very very rare. But nowadays I think every home, every person have the smartphones like we are using nowadays. Okay, so technology is really has grown very very far, and it is still growing. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the seed drills. Seed drills are nothing but the modern tools that we are attaching with the tractors. Okay, so that the sowing of seed is becomes very very easier. Okay, so first point here we have seed drills are used to sowing the seed with the help of tractor. Okay, these seed drills are the tools, or we can say they are modern tools. We have to write something over here. Seed drills are the modern tools which helps for sowing seeds. Okay, and they have to be attached with the tractors. Understood? See,
Yes, sir.
yes, what is the benefit of the seed drills? It helps to ensure the seed are shown uniformly. If we are using the tools like mock drill, that means modern tools, they helps to show the seeds uniformly in a crop field. Okay, at the particular depth, even we can decide the at what depth the seed is going to be show in the soil. We can decide also. So it also ensure the particular depth of the soil seed into the soil, and the covered by the soil after the sowing, and soil have to be covered over the seed. Okay, so it all are decided with the help of mock seed drill. Okay, so it is the really very beneficial one. Okay, so let's discuss once again. Seed drills are the modern tools which helps for sowing the seed in the crop field. Seed drills are used for the sowing the seed with the help of tractors, because we had to apply tractors in order to drive the seed.
Hemant sir, I
Yes,
think
sir.
you are unable to get the notification. Students are waiting in the room.
Okay, sir, let me check. Yes, sir, I am unable to get the notification.
Okay, sir. Carry on now.
Yes. Okay, so understood seed drills, everybody?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Any doubt?
Yes. No, sir.
Okay, so see here we have definition of seed drills, and these 2 points are the benefits, or we can say use of the seed drills. These are the use. Okay, so are you writing, when we are studying, we are understanding each and every part, so you are writing or you are making notes? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, I'm
sir.
taking notes.
Okay, so this part you have to write on definition. This part you have to write on definition. Okay, and these two points are from use. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the nursery. Okay, so nursery, have you heard nursery?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, a place where plants
We
are.
buy the
Yes,
saplings from
yes,
there.
yes. Okay, so you know that. Okay, so nursery is a place where young plants and trees are grown for planting elsewhere. Okay, so generally
The
nursery.
noises are coming.
See, somebody's voice
Sir,
is
some
coming.
background sound is coming.
Pardon, will you please repeat?
Sir, some background sound is coming.
Yes. Who's that? Let me check.
Sir, it's Pallav, sir. It was.
Okay, now it is muted, no? Okay, now it's okay. See, so nursery is the small piece of land where some people, their business is, when nursery is they are planting small plants from the seedlings. They used to sell plants in order to earn. Okay, so this is again one of the agricultural business. Okay, so in nursery, it is a place where young plants are grown. Okay, and also trees for the planting somewhere else. Okay, so that in generally in a rainy season, these plants were planted on, the generally people they used to plant on their garden. Okay, and they are buying the small plants from the nursery only. Okay, even government of India is decided afforestation all over the India. Okay, most of the schools they are planting the plants in barren area with the help of students also. Have you? So they are getting plant from the nursery itself. Okay, so nursery act as a responsibility of the saplings. What do you know? We have discussed yesterday about sapling in last lecture. It is the small
Yes, sir.
plants.
Small
Yes,
plant.
it's a
yes,
small plant.
yes. Okay, so small plants they are going to be planted in particular part. Okay, of the land. Okay, so these are nothing but the
Sir,
yes.
sir, what is the meaning of repository?
Repository nursery act as see what happens generally, you know callus. See, in modern technology, biotechnology is being used. Most of the rare plants they are being shown in that particular nursery. So what they are doing, they are using the stem cells from the plant. Stem cell. Have you heard about the stem cell? These,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yes.
sir. Like
The-
sugar cane.
no. The stem cell are the specialized type of cell
No,
that
sir.
present in the plant as well as on animal, from which we can develop the new plant. Okay, such cells of the plant are called as stem cell. So by using stem cell and biotechnology, we can use this cell to grow large number of same type of plant from the single cell. Okay, such procedure are used in nursery also. Okay, so nursery is nothing but in the place where we can find different kinds of plant in the same place. Okay, that's why here the word is used repository, means it is a reputed type of let me check once the meaning of that particular word also. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Let me minimize this running time. See, listen, the session may be, end after completion of 40 minutes. So we will start once again, okay, this chapter. So if connection will, our connection will get disconnected, then we will join have to once, okay, in order to complete our 1 hour session. Okay. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So where were we? Growing plant nursery. Responsible.
Sir, repository is a place where we grow same kind of plants.
Same or maybe different. Let me check now. I'm just checking the meaning.
Is Sir, it is given in internet that a repository is a place where something, especially a natural resource, is found in significant quantities.
Mhm. Yes, the place where, see, generally it is nothing but the place where same or different kinds of plants are grown together in a different, part of that particular plant, that particular area of the cropland. This is nothing but the word used for the repository. Okay, the place where something or especially a natural resources is found is to be significant quantity.
Sir, like same place or different place?
Same place but different part of that particular same place. Like we have made here, different columns. Here, see, these are, see, this is the same place, but we have divided that particular part into the different part for the different kinds of flower, different kinds of plant. Okay, see, suppose here we are growing mango trees. So here we can, use the, or maybe different like medicinal plant. Here we are growing that flowering plant. Here we are growing same
Sir, like a place where we grow
different
a
kinds
same
of,
place
yes,
where we grow different
different
kinds
kinds
of
of plant
plants,
in a
but
large quantity, so that we can fulfill the need of others. We can fulfill the need of others. For this particular, all these things, we are using the single word called repository. Okay, understood? It is the word from the thesaurus. Okay, it is nothing but the word power. It is coming from the word power. It is very, important word. It have the very, long meaning, we can say. So nursery, which act as a repository for the sapling. Sapling means the small plant. Small plants. Okay, and we have just understood the meaning of repository. Okay, it means different different types of plants are growing in a same place in a large quantity. See, the meaning is very long, but the single word, it is the repository. Okay, understood?
yes, sir.
Okay, so any doubt in nursery?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, so now germination of seed is very important, that we are going to discuss the next point. Okay, see, suppose this is the seed. This is the seed. Okay, so seed contain two main part. One is embryo is over here. Embryo, from where the plant is being germinated, and the seed contain holes. If seed contains single hole, that means it is monocot, a monocotyledon. If seed contain two holes, then it is dicotyledon. Okay, so these are nothing but the cotyledons.
Sir, they are also called as seed leaves, no?
Yes, we can say. See, what happens? This is the seed. This is the seed. And seed contain two important part. One is embryo and another is cotyledons. Cotyledons is nothing but the stored food when embryo is growing into the new plant. That time required nutrition are being supplied by the cotyledon. Okay. So cotyledon is also called as endosperm. It is also called as endosperm. Okay, so what happens when once the seed sowing is done, that seed absorb moisture from the soil. It absorb moisture from the soil. See, what are the main points required for the germination of seed? Let me change the ink. Okay, see, number one, seed require proper moisture. Everybody is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
because
So we need to join again, sir. We need to join
Yes.
again in.
because time, yes, time is going, end, that's why. So I'm going to stop the sharing, and we have to disconnect, then we will connect once, so that we can use more 20 minutes. Okay, so should I?
Sir, it will only end, sir. It will only end.
Okay, so I'm going to disconnect then, see, because we have only 1 minute. Okay, so I'm going to disconnect, then we will reconnect. Okay.
Sir, less than.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir.